Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. In this video we will learn about personal pronouns in German language. So the first personal pronoun is I. In German language it is called as ich. The word is used for I is ich. For you we use du in German language. For third person singular pronoun it is he, she, it. In German language is ihr, sie and s. For now, the first person plural in English language is we. In German language, we say wir. For you, we say ihr. For third person plural in English language is they. It is sie. This s is small letter, small s. For you, third person or second person formal. In English language we say you. In German it is capital S Z. This is capital S.